Hello guys, today we are going to talk about what is the effect of pH level on the threshold stimulus of muscle contraction. First of all, let's talk about what is pH level. pH level is the measure of the acidity and alkalinity of the water-soluble substance, which with the range of 1 to 14. 7 will be the neutral, and above 7 will be alkaline, and below 7 will be considered as acidic. However, in human body, the normal range will be 7.35 to 7.45. Above than the 7.45 is considered alkaline, which our body undergoes alkalolysis, and below than 7.35 considered as acidic, which our body undergoes acidosis. So here comes the question, what causes our body pH level change? There are some reasons. First is lactic acidosis. Cells in our body make lactic acid when they lack of oxygen and undergo anaerobic respiration. This usually occurs during intense exercising and resulting in decrease of pH level. Besides, respiratory alkalolysis, which due to insufficient of carbon dioxide in our bloodstream, also will cause changes in pH, which caused by liver and lung diseases. After knowing about the pH level, let's back to the main question. How does the changes of body pH level affect muscle contraction? As we know, threshold stimulus is actually the minimum stimulus required to create an action potential. So, any stimulus lower than the threshold level will not be able to initiate the muscle contraction. In simple sentence, if it's the minimum stimulus needed for muscle contraction less than the minimum, then no response. Easy, right? So, how about the muscle contraction? Muscle contain contractile units called sarcomere. They are largely composed of actin and myosin fibers. Actin is further associated with thromboyosin and troponin protein. In the absence of calcium, thromboyosin binds to the myosin binding site on actin and thus prevents myosin binding. In the presence of calcium ion binds to troponin, which then changes shape and causes thromboyosin to release from the myosin binding site. Myosin can then bind to the actin and initiate a power stroke to slide the filament, leading to muscle contraction. Actually, no matter acidosis or alkalolysis will both affect threshold stimulus of muscle contraction. More energy needed for muscle contraction when our body goes through acidosis and alkalolysis. However, acidosis affects more on muscle contraction. Acidosis causes the muscle pH decrease. Low pH will decrease the muscle cell contraction, as the decrease in pH inhibits calcium ion from entering into the cell. Furthermore, it reduces the sensitivity of the troponin towards the calcium ion. As I mentioned just now, the concentration occurs when the calcium is bound to the troponin. So when the sensitivity decreases, means that the threshold will increase. That's all. Thank you.